Not going to be too bad. It's going to be a largely dry weekend and indeed into Monday. Not good news, of course, for the gardeners. Cloud is going to be a bit of a problem. It's already giving us a few headaches here at the weather centre. It looks as if eastern areas will see most of the cloud through the weekend. The best of the sunshine will be in the south and the west. But all in all, it will be a fine weekend if you're heading to the coast. Quite a bit of cloud in Scarborough and Great Yarmouth. Maybe a spot or two of rain at Oban. And around some of the coasts in the southwest, it might just be a little bit misty and murky. But all in all, as I say, not too bad. There's certainly been some sunshine today in Scarborough. Further south across England and Wales, quite a bit of cloud, producing a little bit of drizzly rain here and there. Maybe one or two more light showers to come this afternoon. And certainly around the coast of West Wales and southwest England, it's likely to stay rather grey with some drizzle. Elsewhere, continuing to brighten up, except perhaps for Northern Ireland. I think here the opposite will be true. The clouds starting to drift up from the south here, and maybe a little bit of rain here through the afternoon. The showers also continuing across northern Scotland, where it also remains very windy. Those winds continuing to touch gale force in places, so it feels pretty autumnal here, 15 or 16 Celsius. In the brighter spells in the southeast, quite warm, 25, possibly 26 Celsius. 22, I think, at Headingley, and it should be fine for England's batsmen through this afternoon. Dry and bright, and continuing that way, I think, into tomorrow. It might start off a little bit cloudy. There will again be quite a lot of cloud across the country in the morning. That cloud thick enough to produce a little bit of drizzly rain around some western coasts of Scotland, maybe Northern Ireland as well, and parts of southern Scotland and northeast England as well. Might just see a few light showers through the afternoon, but for most of us dry and fine. I think plenty of sunshine in northeast Scotland and the sun coming out further south as well, although as I said at the start, some of the coasts in the southwest might just be a little bit misty and murky. If that mist does persist, temperatures will only reach the high teens, but in the south elsewhere in the sunshine, 25, 26, possibly 27 Celsius, plenty warm enough. A little bit cooler though as we head further north. Now, it's all staying fine because of an area of high pressure. We've still got that weather front, though, not too far away, but that high pressure is good news for astronomers. It's National Astronomy Week next week, and live from Jodrell Bank, we've got the all-night star party on BBC Two on Saturday night. Mars is at its closest for 60,000 years. Now, the weather staying fine into next week. We've still got the high pressure. We've still got that weather front, though, which means more cloud for eastern areas, possibly a spot or two of rain, but most places dry on Sunday. Some good sunny spells, especially to the southwest. Quite gusty here as well. Maybe a shower here on Monday, but for most away from the east, it will again be fine. Darren.